It's been the pick of the weekend, but really not saying too much because we've been dealing with some soggy conditions into the afternoon and evening. Still dealing with a few of those showers, especially south of the Mass Pike as you go into the South Shore, the Cape, and the island, seeing some light to even moderate showers moving on through. But this is a precursor of what's going to arrive tomorrow morning. This is kind of just setting the stage for some cold air to filter on in. We are expecting winter return in a big way for tomorrow. Winter weather advisory out for the 495 corridor. Points to north and west, so central and western Mass, and even Middlesex and Essex County. You're under that winter weather advisory. This is in effect until 1 p.m. Sunday, and this isn't really for snow, though there will be some snow. It's more for the sleet and freezing rain threat in the afternoon that we're going to be watching. So hour by hour, clears us out, dries us out heading into tomorrow, but that's going to be short-lived. By as early as 5, 6 in the morning, starting to see that snow move in first, and notice that pink ribbon there. That's going to be sleet and freezing rain mixing on in, and that's going to be the bigger threat as we go into the morning and the midday. There will be some snow holding on in the higher elevations as you go into Worcester County and into Essex and Middlesex counties. However, again, everyone starts to switch over to that sleet, and south of the Pike as you go to the South Shore, the Cape, the Islands, this is really going to be a rain event, more so a winter event for you guys. Sunday, 2 p.m., the afternoon, starting to see everyone switch over to rain, a cold rain at that, before we finally start to see some clearing heading into the evening, and eventually some sunshine heading into Monday. And that's going to be the trend for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday before things start to get a little bit tricky heading towards the end of the week. Now, as far as accumulations go, snow to ice, a coating to 2 inches in the Worcester Hills, the 190 corridor, 495 as you go into New Hampshire, and then south of the Pike, we'll call it a mix to rain, and this is an all-rain event for the I-95 corridor as you go into the Cape and the Islands. Overall, not the biggest impact, obviously arriving on Sunday morning, so not too many people on the roadways, but if you are hitting the roads, especially north and west of town, you are going to want to take it easy. And that's where we're expecting the slippery travel. Really, power outages, coastal flooding, not going to be an issue. Snow and sleet accumulation with this system could be a coating to maybe up to 2 inches in some spots. So there's our current storm right now through New England. The next system we're watching actually bringing some severe weather to the Mississippi River Valley as it moves into the Great Lakes area and eventually brings some cold air down, and that's what sets the stage for the snow and sleet and freezing rain to arrive tomorrow morning. So a few showers this evening. Then we're going to dry out, and then the early wintry mix arrives, especially north and west of town, by 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. 35 for an overnight low. Winds not an issue. Even into tomorrow, winds really not that big of an issue. 40 for an afternoon high, but first we're going to have to get through some fog, some gray, dreary conditions early with all that precip that moves on in the morning and afternoon. Then what we're watching for the next few days is we do have high pressure, what we call a Bermuda high setup. That's going to help keep us mild heading Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But we're also watching another high pressure system, what we call a Greenland high or a Greenland block. That sets up over Greenland, and what that does for the jet stream is it really puts a kink into everything. So we're not going to see storms transverse over the U.S. as quickly as they normally would. So what that means is as we head into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we could have an extended period of some stormy weather that we're going to have to watch really closely, especially for interior New England. This could be a good snowmaker for all of those locations. But look at Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Really nice temperatures above average, a good 10 to 15 degrees above average with a lot of sunshine each day. It's really not until Thursday that we start to see some of that wintry weather return.